The iPhone 15 series is likely to offer several design modifications, and although they may not be huge, they might be considered the most anticipated. A fresh leak has surfaced that discusses the potential design changes for the full lineup, and it's an intriguing one. Last year's iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max ditched the notch in favor of a pill-shaped and circular cutout termed the Dynamic Island by Apple. The basic models will omit the notch this year, according to images of the iPhone 15 series front glass panel and protector supplied by Sleeker Ice Universe. The photos not only seem to show that the whole lineup will be notched, but they also appear to reveal that the Pro models will have slimmer bezels. The top image shows the glass panel for the two 6.1-inch iPhone 15 and 15 Pro models, as well as the two 6.7-inch iPhone 15 Plus and Pro Max models. The bottom picture seems to show screen protectors for the 15 Pro Max, which is said to feature the narrowest bezels of any smartphone. In addition, the bezels on both Pro models will be slightly curled around the edges compared to the 14 Pro, giving them an Apple Watch-like appearance. Meanwhile, a tipster has mentioned the additional color possibilities that the iPhone 15 lineup might launch via a tweet from Tipster Shrimp. According to Apple Pro, citing a Weibo post captured by an alleged Foxconn employee, the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus are slated to launch in green, midnight, pink product red, starlight, and yellow color variants. This confirms a previous word that the models would launch a new cyan color choice, comparable to the green option on the iPhone 12 series. Other design modifications might include a larger camera hump for the Pro models, a USB Type-C connector, and a redesigned mute button, perhaps dubbed the Action button. Other upgrades include improved camera performance and battery life. The 15 Pro Max is also expected to contain a periscopic lens, a first for an iPhone. The iPhone 15 pricing may be shocking, but it is preferable to wait for official information. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.